thanks for tuning back in. Always a pleasure if you're watching this. Today in this episode I'm going to reinstall, well, first off the door, the new door. So this is the grey door, the one I painted. First thing on the agenda now is to put in the window channel. Got a brand new one, so you have to install the hardware which you take out of the old one. So actually that's how curved the door is. So basically this stuff goes in here, but then in the rubber window channel. The same goes for the front part here. So yeah, let's this in. So everything looks fine, it matches up. It's a little flared here because it was in the old door, and unfortunately there was a little well, I don't know what you call it, but something, this latch was higher, or edge, or whatever. Anywho, so how to get everything in, it's just a matter of pinching it and then everything should sit flush. There's a little overhang here that will be probably trimmed later once the speakers go in. So here everything is buttoned up, so it's sitting nice and smooth. Also here you can see that the edge, although this is an aftermarket piece, it follows the line quite nicely, luckily. Not really happy with this finish, but hey, what do you do? So this is now done. Now it's time to install a brand new window scraper. So this is the outside with these horrendous clips. They're sharp as fuck, I don't know why, but that's just the way they made them. So I guess, ooh, that's what you get with dirty hands, you get instantly spots. Let me figure this out if this is a lefty or a righty, because there is a straight edge and a bent edge. But yeah, let's install it. Okay, the outer channel or window sweeper scraper thingy is in. However, the fitment of aftermarket parts, what the fuck? Yeah, maybe have to MacGyver something together using the old channel, cut out a piece and glue it in here, because this looks like poop. Also, unfortunately, and I have to fix that straight away. Once putting this in, I actually noticed that there's a little metal edge here that cut into my fresh paint, which is of course sucky, because this part will for sure get wet. So I have to dive in and see how to fix this, because I don't want this to start rusting. But yeah, that's part one of the window sweep. Then of course we also have the inside to do. I think that the inner ones are exactly the same. So let's see what this is. Okay, interesting. But yeah, also these pointy things. Why? So then actually how to mount this. Looks like it's screwed, but I don't remember taking screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Need to look that up. Installing the glass is rather easy actually. So this contraption sits about here. Then we've got this part which goes behind it. So the window, the glass itself sits in this edge. So this whole thing supports the glass like so. The little wheel here slides in this slider. So if the window goes up and down, it moves like so. And you just tighten these two screws. So let's put in the glass. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, give a comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.